Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I wanted to do an updated eyebrow tutorial using the NYX Professional Brow Pencil. It has been my go-to and favorite brow pencil at the moment. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve these amazing brows, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil and it comes with a spoolie. And this is in the shade Espresso, and this is the shade that works for me. So what I like to do first is I like to comb my eyebrows just to get them nice and clean. I then like to start filling them in from the inner part and working my way towards the outer part of my eyebrows. I like to fill any areas that don't have any hair, and I also like starting from the bottom and then working my way towards the top of my eyebrows. With light strokes, I move to the next eyebrow to try to create some symmetry. They're not going to be the same and perfect, but I just try to make them as similar as possible. The penciling does look a little bit harsh, but I promise we will be blending them with the spoolie side of the eyebrow pencil. So on the top part of the eyebrow, we do want to be a little bit lighter on the strokes just because we don't want very dark eyebrows. And again, they look a little bit dark right now, but if you make a mistake, just grab your pinky and clean them up and just keep filling them in until you find some symmetry between the two. Now with the spoolie side of the brow pencil, lightly brush your brows. You don't want to be harsh that you completely take off the product, but you also don't want super dark brows, unless of course that's the look you're going for, which is okay. So just keep brushing away until you get the shading of your choice. If there is any areas you need to add more product, you can do that as well. Okay guys, now with my Morphe brush, this is a flat brush, we're going to add some product. I'm going to be using my foundation. I like to use foundation because it is not very light and you will be adding foundation, so you won't be seeing any harsh lines. So I just use this flat brush and my foundation and I start cleaning up my eyebrows. If there is any mistake you made or if you went over too much with the foundation, you can always go back and add more product to your eyebrow and just fill in any little bald spots or areas that don't have any hair and just fix them up and you should be good. Now with my NARS concealer, I like to clean up the bottom, so I use the same flat brush, and again I start from the inner part of my brow and I move my way towards the outer area, and I just try to make a very straight line, but also I don't want to make it too harsh because I don't want it to be a very harsh eyebrow kind of look. I then like to add some concealer on my eyelids, and with the Real Techniques blending sponge, I like to just blend and add some of the concealer. And then in the center part of my eyebrows, I just like to use my fingers just to get rid of those concealer harsh lines. And you can either use your finger or the sponge. I like to use my finger. I like to use the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Gel. This helps the brows stay in place and helps blend the product, making them look more natural. This is the final look. I love how the NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil helps make my eyebrows look natural. I definitely 100% recommend it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and don't forget, always be kind. Love you all.